The 1986 seminar at the Basement with Wonchong Leung and Nino Bernardo has had snippets released and edited versions sold, but the full, raw 2-hour seminar has been considered lost. Until now, where what you're about to see is that complete, unedited seminar presented for the first time in its entirety. This is a priceless piece of martial arts history. Let's step back into the basement.
Maybe out of time to the far and you get a punch. Wow, that's another punch. Sometimes it looks powerful and you take it and you don't feel it. So it's powerful. How you accidentally or maybe deliberately use a piece of power of impact. 嗱，呢個做法做完啦，跟住睇我呢度啦，將個手帶個身處，手帶個身處。Hands take the body down. 如果打空咗，啱啱我出咗位喺如果呢度有人打緊過嚟，打過嚟，如果我咁出嚟，跌㗎啦。If you put this out there, and I come to get here and give you that hand, you will get you up one. 而家俾我打出咗啦，嗱。我始終要向翻嚟㗎，因為我向翻去，我隻手已經打唔到佢啦。我係選擇。嗱，我手帶跟住呢度啦。我手固定咗呢個位啊。睇上嚟就咁轉過嚟。有轉攞住呢個位咧，你真係假㗎啦已經。冇問題，你揾隻手帶個身處，唔係個身行先，係手帶住個身處。He uses the hand. The hand is usually it's the body that comes down. He's using with the hand first. And immediately upon contact, the left hand is activated. Other hand. 嗱，第三節層次啊，第三節該作同頭先話完全一樣。亦都一定要你就喺原位喺邊個位就喺邊個位打，同時咧亦都要你一打完嘅時候咧，要你習慣咗要上，即係打完嗰時就要上方法。A programming exactly the same kick and again immediate kick from wherever your foot happens to be, lead foot kick and programming of the step forward to follow up. 嗱，你仲要睇清我呢個動作啊！ Watch this technique. 我每一個動作都係一樣㗎，聽住嚇。打完嗰腳，你睇住啦。我手做完成嗰個動作，同我呢個係一齊㗎。His hand technique and step forward after the kick activated simultaneously. 你睇我動作啦。嗱，我呢個上呢個位係咪一齊呢個動作一齊完成啦？嗱，呢啲動作完成啦。一齊完成啦，即係唔係話。You see, we were saying that it's not one together, it's one together, not two. Right? It's man, multiple activities, not blah. 一個動作完成啦。呢個係低磅嚟㗎。low 磅。通常咧，你同人哋碰面一撞咧，走行一撞咧，你好容易好容易上啲下或者咧，佢頭先我話做嗰個動作，如果佢一對你咧，根本你一上埋掛低磅嚟。That's a low 磅。或者你哋學黐手嗰啲咧，嗱，譬如佢攻我及唔佢，一拖之後低磅，就而家呢係低磅。通常咧，你人哋近手啊，當你睇啲近手啊，呢下咧就得呢下嚟，就係呢下手。In the wooden belly, or in what people do demonstrate when the person comes forward and practice to one side, you usually fall, or when you're on the belly, you usually punch up. 仲有一樣嘢記住，呢樣嘢好緊要㗎，雙手唔好突嘅佢出嚟。等於同人哋打。擺呢隻手啊，擺隻手唔好突隻腳出嚟，因為你突咗隻腳出去綁手，或者突咗佢出去擺手咧，即係你無端端做咗一步， if you put the lead foot forward, or stand like that, or you could put forward on one side. If you have a useless, you move just one step. You've already taken one step forward. 嗱，譬如而家我對你睇出去，睇到啊，佢拖我咧，我咁跟佢走去㗎，我做唔到呢個動作啊，做唔到呢個動作啊。You won't be able to pull off that technique. 因為我呢個用咗已經 the foot's already out. If people are there, I pull here. Chances are, if I put a strong pull, he will go where I want him to. But if you know, he has to step forward. I pull him there, he still comes here. 防守一樣，防守我最最唔用嘅人嚟講。Same thing with the 防守。See, if I push you to there, he'll go there. Right? 唯一樣嘢係需要到隻防守嘅功能嘅。Unless you're using the 防守， if you want to use your 防守 to actually attack, then maybe it's a good idea to keep that to the first top. 嗱，等你頭先咁講我啫嘛。I suddenly just pull it. 嗱，我係想講呢啲。就唔好防守特別做出嚟，而係需要防風人咧，先至配合埋一個佢嘅。It's when the attack technique is being executed at certain moments when it's being effective that you catch a 防守 and lead leg. There's no lead foot. Hand is taking the lead foot that complements the jamming of the 防守. Okay, that's the only instance when you actually find 防守 and lead foot working at the same time. 通常嚟出嘅手咧，多數咧牽手咧喺外邊，其實內邊，碌係尋橋呢下咧喺內邊走出外邊。Okay, green style usually goes from the outside to the inside. It's only a champion that you see the green coming from the inside. 呢類型嘅手咧，往往遇到對方好力嘅。We have very very strong opponents. 嗱，譬如我同佢黐手，佢力好猛，但係佢跌落嚟打，我手都歪㗎，我哋又唔夠佢，佢喺呢種情咧，知道咁樣，佢呢個位點分呢個位就唔好呢種走，因為我咁樣走咧，佢打我㗎，所以呢手咧係少少保護佢。He just really doesn't lose contact. He maintains contact. He doesn't lose contact, not one. Right behind it. Shows you that. 亦都唔係話兩手同用硬，不過問題一隻手咧係避開呢個位嘅啫，避咗呢個位嘅啫。嗱呢下你要注意啊！做完呢下手之後，嗱跟住打炮環嘅係咁樣打。嗰陣時我哋學嘅時候咧。自問教我哋嘅時候咧，我哋掹個小要我哋轉咗少少，然後打嘅。So you have to turn a little bit and then you kick. 咁咧佢話咧，當你練到熟，你就唔好轉嘅。And when you 一路打咗一路轉，一路打咗一路轉。嗱呢個動作同你打到尾呢個動作，或者頭先呢啲動作咧。都係有相似嘅。There are similarities in the three techniques because you're simultaneously planning, executing the horse stance, and executing a kick or a punch or a technique again. 嗱，譬如而家我喺嗰度啊，而家我想喺呢度，咁我咪始終我好蝕底啊！我始終要向翻佢。If I'm over here to attack people, he has to somehow or other face me. Before you can go. 而家佢要你點樣？係打住佢嚟轉，嗱嗰度打住佢呢度轉。He turns and kicks simultaneously. 嗱咧，我喺度打埋，我呢個轉咗嘅。Doing it in one move rather than turn and kick. He kicks and turns at the same time. 一路打住佢嚟轉咧，每個說話講係保護咗你自己。That's only for your own safety that you should keep it. Turn at the same time. 呢個動作做唔得，你喺我做呢幾個動作。呢幾個動作咧，即係小龍頭呢個動作嚟嘅啫。嗱，我坐咩啊？你啊，坐咩啊？你啊，小龍頭呢啲係。Only doing something to himself, but it's possible to do. 嗱，所以我話俾你聽，琴條咧就將小龍頭整啲翻去咧，配合埋個馬啦。 都有埋個馬，都行埋小練頭走嚟。
And so you take movements and do student and include the horse during horse dance.
嗱，跟住打呢條，呢條咧同佢一樣道理㗎。
Same principle as the kick.
譬如我會放喺呢個位，睇除過，頭先放下呢個我上，咁行過嚟咧。而家呢個想一爬，我咁打我上咁解嘅啫。嗱，而家我咁轉啦，你唔知㗎，你真係打我嘅話嚟㗎，我哋唔知㗎。嗱，我想一下嘅，係呢個手勢。嗱，有我呢啲打佢唔到到咧，起碼我都唔使俾佢打先。
Even if he misses me, at least he's I can't afford to move anywhere because he'll come in.
仲有一樣嘢喎，你睇住我手唔係隔過去喎，唔係要隔你隻手喎。如果我隔唔到咧，可能佢佢方面喎。嗱，開手係咁打住，你睇我手係咁打住佢，一路手一路打住佢，並唔係咁樣發。譬如喺嗰邊，而家我路邊打住隻手，點打住佢嘅啫。
It's not. This punching straight. You have to be facing every punch there. Same time.
尋常咩問題冇？
Forearm, please.
Yeah, let's do the jump sequence to all that same through the center of all that.
Yeah.
What's the question?
Oh,
You want to know if that is the case? 你喺個身中嚟轉咧，冇得個身。馬轉馬嗰啲，
你睇我轉馬，我呢樣嘢頭先我留咗講。啊，好多人轉馬。
A lot of people sit on the horse skin.
好多咁嘅，轉馬要咁樣嘅，要咁樣先轉到馬。你日個動作慢咗幾多先？嗱，你睇下我兩個都，我重心喺呢度咯，我重心喺呢度咯，你睇啦，彎到咁，嗱，喺度彎到咁啊，已轉咗啦，嗱，個重心咁嗰度。如果假如我呢度直嘅咧，我咁樣換咗條力先轉得到噶啦。
Does that answer your question? What he's saying, he's pivoting his horse and he's shifting it from one to another. If he has one leg straight, he has to bring it down to turn. He keeps both legs at angle. It's not straight. We have one bent, one straight, you have to get up. Then you have to do that.
仲有一樣嘢我會，仲有一樣嘢啊！轉馬你睇住我點轉啊？揾隻腳爭住，
On the heel.
啊！好多人咁樣轉啊！
A lot of people turn their toes, yeah?
好多，我一路睇咧，好多人都係。
A lot of people in this church.
我哋為咗乜嘢要轉馬先？最緊要轉嗰度。我哋為咗乜嘢要轉馬
Why did you do that?
嗱，譬如喺咁嘅情形啊，我想打佢唔到噶啦，我先要轉馬打佢啫嘛。
Only when he can't reach it that he uses his horse stance to get to come in.
嗱，假如我就先轉馬睇佢啦，
If he turns it on the ball of his foot, it goes out of range.
改變咗噶。嗱，你睇睇，而家我咁樣轉馬，我腳先轉。
If he turns it,
嗱，我腳跟轉。
if he turns on his heel,
呢個情形咧，喺香港有個好有名嘅詠春師傅問我教佢呢個。
there's one very famous French in Hong Kong that had a long horse.
佢真係好有名，唔係好叻。
He's famous, but he's not very skillful.
你話玩點咧？有着數有唔着數。嗱，你又點嘅着數咧？嗱，我轉打到佢啦 ，OK。嗱，而家我咁樣轉咧，打唔到佢，但佢都打我唔到咧。
There's an advantage. Even if I don't reach him, at least he can't reach me either.
哇！你要唔俾人打到，點解你唔走啫？走咪仲好。
If you just don't want him to hit you, let him do that.
啊！呢個好有名嘅師傅嚟嘅。當時咧佢，如果假如佢唔問翻我，我都唔識啊。
而家再問翻你一陣，
哦，
叫都叫唔
唔係我當時叫我話點解你俾人打到，點解唔走啫啦？走咪仲實際我。
哦，佢話其實放咗時間呢個點啊？幾時有呢啲機？
哦，嗱，有好多種傳言嘅，譬如打唔甩就打佢，你點唔一定就打中嚟㗎，有係打唔中㗎。你喺出邊嗱，起碼頂住嗰啲響佢咁打你，我咁樣你打我㗎嘛，我咁嘅時間係咪攞住呢個位啊？喺呢段好多機會㗎，唔係我㗎。有時打咗截住嘅時間先有機會。仲有咩要問嘅？啊，點解咧？我而家保守，係咪真係要試過呢邊先？嗱，我擺呢個位係咪同一個方向啊？喺間房係咪同一個方向去啊？如果假如唔係嘅話，我講呢手先升埋嚟，你呢手去呢度，呢手去嗰度，你都唔知嘅。
The other alternative is to go and not do that. One is to go together. The other one take it there and then go there.
嗱，咁樣就嗱，我就舉一個例俾你睇下。嗱，一隻手佢拍想打我，我講嗱，你睇住咯喎，我講係咪想將人哋去嗰邊㗎？咁我呢手留住喺度，我始終俾佢手打。
If he performs this night and he tries to put my out, still me.
因為我哋個手做得一半。
And both techniques only done half the technique and then half the technique on the other.
咁咧，我變咗自己矛盾咗，即係我見到呢手咁埋嚟，
Contradicting himself from the technical standpoint.
我咪喺度咁俾佢打，我講咗俾你打㗎，係咪？我收呢隻我先會燒到呢隻，或者啊嘛，我一係攞呢隻，一係就攞呢隻，你就唔能夠兩隻都要。如果你唔係擺喺度咧，應該兩隻都要。呢隻喺呢邊過嚟，呢隻喺呢邊過去。
What happens is that condition was to pick that insert this time around and go across like that.
Yeah, they should do a contact. Somebody put their hand in.
No, it's just to make it work together.
Any question?
Yeah, I've noticed watching films from the different they have to keep their inside longer than what?
Đó là do cái những cái này nha, đó là một cái này trên ta, rồi tự thành người gì, gì đó không thấy rồi, chưa rồi, rồi thấy đâu rồi hả?
You need the center line over here. You need it easier if you go on the center line. Now tilt your body a little away.
你唔好睇喺個護手，呢個護手可能有人答你。
One day that will go going to change your life.
如果護手咁樣喺呢度嘅，你摸摸我手，我手都會錯我做低中間。呢個護手係跟呢個針落嘅。嗱，我護手呢個位，啊，我護手呢個位啊。你頭先兩隻手對我都唔緊要㗎，你墜低我，一墜咧呢個位嘅，或者你墜我咁打我嘅時候咧，你想錯咗自己嘅，嗱你自己得啫，叫佢自己做一做。
Try yourself.
我咁啊，嗱，如果你唔喺呢度，我手拉嚟咧，係咪真心㗎？隻扶手個心落嘅手跟埋落㗎。嗱，你喺呢度。嗱，我拉低咗你個身，你知手係咪上㗎？頭先個手落，呢手上，呢手一上係保住咗你個頭嘅。
affect your hip. So you get taken down.
你自己就喺呢度，嗱我喺跟到身嘅，嗱喺呢一度，因為係咪咁樣啊？係保護住你㗎。
That is the Wing Chun usually.
小龍頭尋橋係用咗一般性係常規嘅，都係用尋橋小龍頭嘅手嘅。嗱，譬如舉一個例，師頭，唔好兩手唔好 cross 嘅，
You don't want your hands to cross the machine.
或者唔好喺橋底嘅手，
Don't go from under your jaw.
喺標誌咧啱相反，好多橋底嘅手嘅。
Usually it contradicts a lot of the teachings from the first two forms.
標誌佢已經話俾你聽，好多嘢唔係叫絕對啱嘅，有啲你認為唔啱嘅嘢，喺某種情形入邊佢係啱嘅，所以佢認為乜嘢都冇絕對。
In Fuji, a lot of techniques that don't make sense to your teaching, they now try to teach you how to use it in application with, you use techniques that don't make it not advisable. Now saying they're looking for situations where they will work and are in fact effective.
我既然真正嚟講真正嚟講標誌咧係俾你自由翻嘅，俾你知嘅。
In the first two forms, you're disciplined into understanding the theories and concepts therein. In Fuji, the concept is to now once more free you from being tied down by those disciplines.
所以佢詠春呢幾個點都有俾你知嘅攞佢嘅。點解啲人重要啊？成日俾詠春綁住先。
Even though a lot of people don't understand the whole concept of Wing Chun, first of all, you learn the discipline, then you learn the rule of improvisation for your freedom. There's still a lot of practitioners still encase themselves within the system of slaves.
嗱，一開始我再講我標誌點解叫標誌啊？標誌因為而家呢度冇乜中國人啊，或者唔會明白。通常紙係講飛嘅，
These could mean finger, yeah.
標咧係一個動作，
Feel is a movement.
所以好多人誤解咗咧，就係呢度叫做標嘅手指。
So usually they think it's the thrusting of fingers.
呢種情形咧，亦都有人問過我，我話既然你認為係標手指，點解唔標腳趾啊？
They got a few fingers like toes.
因為中文入邊咧個腳趾嘅趾同個手指嘅趾差唔多嘅。其實咧標誌喺佛經入邊
Fuji comes from the same Buddhism.
佢個原一個名，佢個名咧係叫做標月即係佢首先指個月光，叫你去睇個月光，唔係叫你睇個手指。
The pointing at the moon tells you to look at the moon, not at the finger.
即係佢哋將個眼光將個睇大啲，唔好睇佢哋咁細。
They tell you to look a little further than that.
即係世界上仲有好多嘢咧，你哋都認為唔啱嘅，佢事實上係啱嘅。
A lot of things in the world that Wing Chun will say not proper. And in reality it is.
如果唔係嘅話咧，就根本唔會有標誌喺度功夫。
If it worked, then we wouldn't have Fuji in this form.
嗱，詠春開始呢個馬係咁樣㗎。唔該睇睇。我相信而家好多人買緊詠春都唔明白呢個馬嘅作用喺邊度嘅。
A lot of Wing Chun practitioners still don't know what it is.
好多時以為我哋咁樣走嘅，實際上唔係。你咁樣走同跳舞有咩分別？
Some people think that's the way they move. You might as well pick up dancing.
實際上呢個馬係要利用一條直線去截人哋個魚形嘅，即係人哋兩邊走點去截人哋嘅。
You use the cut-off angle from the stake to cut off the part to shorten the distance. Shorten the approach by cutting off the knot.
若果一個人啊，佢唔自己本身唔打慣，佢好難會理解到呢個馬會係直線。
If you're not already an instinctive fighter, it would be very difficult to try and theoretically explain the principles of this particular horse stance.
假如而家我同佢打，而佢走得好快㗎。
Now, people fight me and I'm the fastest runner with people.
我而家要點樣逼佢同我打咧？
How the people going to
就好常會用到呢一個馬㗎。
This is when this horse stance, this footwork comes into it.
嗱，你睇呢個動作啊，譬如我同佢打緊，
People that are
嗱，我同佢打緊，佢永遠唔能夠喺我打佢嗰個距離入邊走嚟走去
It
啦。
would be stupid for me to walk inside the firing range, inside people's firepower, because I'll be something to be hit. So I'll have to go back and away from the firing range on my
佢唔
own.
能夠咁樣走嘅，只能夠咁樣走，或者咁樣走嘅。
I'll have to either go this way or I go this way, but always you find me flowing away from the arc pattern, away from the firepower.
嗱，你睇住啦，你唔得，嗱，我一截佢打，唔得啦，你再走，我一截，嗱，而家佢再走，譬如咧走一邊走咧，你睇佢咪埋咗佢啦。而家呢種情當然係我打人哋啦，唔係我逼佢埋去，佢打我，佢就我打佢，因為問題佢唔係好夠我打嘅，但係佢比我快，我點逼佢打佢咧？
Okay, this is, in this instance, Steve Wu is confident that he will be able to put me on and beat me in combat. Otherwise, why should he take me and try and corner me?
Yeah.
So you don't try and corner someone who you know you can't beat.
通常咧一接觸咗咧，多數係尋橋嘅馬嚟嘅。嗱，假如呢個係邊度？你識睇到啊？呢個嘅嗱，呢個係我。而家我呢個攻擊範圍咧，佢唔能夠咁走嘅，佢唔能夠咁走。
The red dog can't run inside the five pound.
佢要走係咪你咁樣走啊？走個弧形啊！
He runs an OR.
嗱，而家我截佢咧，喺條直線。嗱，佢再走嘅時候咧，嗱，而家我截佢咧，佢再走。
The constant interception.
Hay mà cái đập rồi à? Nào, tôi thấy rồi. 而家我企呢個位，打正確，佢企呢個位，嗱佢咁走，嗱因為佢係咪走魚啊？嗱佢再走，
So I go like this. He's just cutting off my distance, you see. I could even, because he's actually running, he would just corner me and chase me around. He moves less distance. He covers less distance than I do because I'm running an arc.
嗱呢個睇到我位，嗱我哋一條 straight line 嚟㗎，嗱你睇到啦，嗱佢走，
I'll run. He keeping it a straight line. And I move to the third line. Yeah, he just carries on straight. And I'm having to go.
呢啲大家自己可以試㗎，呢個動作唔係好難做㗎。有假如我唔夠打，我哋都冇機會咁樣做啦嚇。嗱，呢個動作做完，呢啲一樣啊。嗱，跟住打呢， 嗱，呢個動作咁樣，係咁樣㗎，咁樣，係攞一個十字位嘅。你哋好似你哋成日玩打波，打兩啲咁嘅動作，打啲咁嘅動作嘅時間啦，打呢啲咁嘅時間，大家就係呢下手嚟。有啲人玩獅子咧，咁樣㗎。如果假如咁樣，我唔知佢點喺度學咗落下，點練先？冇得練㗎。甚至有啲人係又咁樣打人，又咁樣打人。如果咁樣打到人咧，如果佢成日打我都開心，起碼我唔使俾啲人鬧交先。
If you're able to hit someone like this, people will volunteer to go hit you to get a free massage.
如果而家我兩隻手嘅，譬如我隻手傷咗
，one hand's wounded，
唔係因為你傷咗人哋唔會打你，可能打得你仲緊要啲。
Just because you got one hand hurt doesn't mean they're going to stop it.
喺咁嘅時間咧，我唔係話一定要求贏㗎，最低限度我點樣保護我自己。
Right now, Tipu's main ambition is not to win the fight, but to get away alive.
嗱，譬如佢一路咁打我，或者咁打我，嗱，如果我呢度燒咧，唔容易燒㗎。
It's difficult to block right here in this area.
等於人家支筆一放手，你一捉唔係好容易捉得到嘅。
If you put your hand right underneath someone who's holding his pen, but he just releases it, it's very difficult for you to grip it right away.
而家我手傷咗咧，佢一路咁打我咧，你睇下嗱，佢一路打我，嗱，係攞住呢個位嘅啫。佢盡量喺開邊造成一個偏差，佢離到我身係咪越嚟越遠啊？
He tries to offer an alternative route already here. So diversion stops from this range. You can offer a diversion to any taking it out of this way.
即係睇頭先我玩嘅裝機械，完全係一樣㗎。並唔係咁樣㗎。如果假如咁樣有用，我唔知點解佢有用啊。最好佢成世都係咁樣，如果假如即係所謂咁樣。喺標誌入邊係盡量點樣去保護自己嘅啦，已經好多動作，已經唔係話要求點樣去打人。
And Gucci is no longer a concept whereby you're trying to find a method of using defense. It's more of self-defense concept.
呢幾日做完之後咧，嗱跟住咧呢個第三，嗱琴橋咧係梯間嘅，由左至右或者由右至左嘅，但標誌嘅針咧由上往下咧，同埋一樣你睇住呢個動作啊，唔係咁樣啊，而係有少少輕輕地嘅。
In Champion, you see the elbow traveling horizontally across, and in Fuji it comes from the top. And not only a hand motion, but body mechanics come into it. Your body slightly tilted when your elbow comes down.
呢個動作咧，多數都係俾人捉住嘅時間用嘅。
They often use it when grab hold of your hand.
仲要對方比較你大隻好多嘅。
And your partner is much stronger than yourself.
而家即係有時好似我哋去同人打咧，大家咁想大隻，我可以攻我多次咧，佢捉住我都冇用啊，都唔可以追手啦，人哋捉咧，都係捉追手都拍唔過去㗎啦。
You get two people who approximately the same size, it's very difficult for you to maintain. It's only when a stronger person can hold up your
除非佢好高大捉住你。嗱，點解呢個頭就要咁樣啊？嗱，而家我同佢咁咧，大家咁上高咧，我頭正嘅都唔怕。嗱，譬如佢捉住我，然之後冚唔咁嗱，佢一跪落去，唔影響我個頭㗎。但係譬如我同到佢咁高咧，有問題。
As a tall person, you've got a problem there. How do you volunteer to get eaten up?
嗱，你睇下捉住我，而家跪咧，啲手係咁樣跪落去。嗱，一般人，譬如咧攞住打蚊咁跪，佢咪咧好痛㗎？咁樣跪，要過啱。如果我咧，唔乜跪，跟住跑落去咧，佢痛嘅話咧，我痛唔到我喺度㗎。
It will crash off the speaker's head.
嗱，好似佢咁矮咧，咁矮咧，佢可能驚喎。嗱，佢都見我話佢乜跪，佢跪撞唔到我呢度喎。但佢咁高咧，高我咁多，我跪落咧，係到唔知俾佢呢度冚到㗎。但係我頭咧少少側咧，反而佢撞我嚟嘅，撞我呢個位。如果我咁樣咧，唔同我呢個鼻俾佢撞㗎。
If you face his head on, you can get it on the nose. You tilt it a little bit. It's only going to be much closer. So then when the hit comes down, you just get one on the side that you're expecting.
我通常嚟講，呢隻手幾大力都好，我捉住佢啦，佢跪落嚟咧，甩佢就咬佢呢個位㗎。見佢捉得我幾大力都好，佢個行嚟做咩咧？我怕自己俾你咬，一跪就咬佢。
You break the grip.
一跪係咁跪落去啦，就上跪落去啦。
It goes from up to down.
嗱，做完嗱呢隻手啊，兩樣做完啊，喺標書入邊做完1、2、3之後咧，兩邊做完咧就再一次添嘅，佢一個等於做多一次，唔知多一次個馬嘅。
So yes, you've done 3 on 2 initiated with 3 moves on each side, and then you repeat one and use just one on either side. That's just the script of the and then you give the opportunity to try and score these.
嗱，一做完呢個動作，嗱呢個動作咧係咁標噶，喺呢個位標嘅，喺橋底標上。
Under the bridge. The move is the hand under the bridge.
一路嚟講都算好用橋底㗎啦。即係開始一做已經係橋底手嚟嘅。
Throughout your Wing period so far, you've only tried to under the bridge.
嗱，通常咩捧住個踭，
If someone pushes your elbow,
呢個打 B 咧差唔多㗎。
it's similar to
嗱，
shooting pool of 100.
你講捧住個踭。
Here,
如果我向佢咧都唔出唔到嘅，而家我呢度你喺呢度，佢咪去咗呢度，
so you just come.
唔係向住佢人㗎，佢入邊應該有向住佢人嘅標法，但係呢下咧就咁標出嚟啦。
And then when people does the view, he views not towards the body, not towards me. He's viewing to also be an alternative route, so I end up here. He's not coming at me. So he's just offering.
如果假如我唔係貼緊埋牆嚇，
He's not now pressed against the wall.
佢好似我住佢咁咯，或者佢面同形嗰下啦，係咪先？如果假如我咁樣佢出下咧，佢打落嚟我都唔好命嘅呢下。但係我整咗埋牆唔同啊，整咗埋牆，佢撳我唔低㗎，因為佢同埲牆鬥啊，唔係同我鬥。
Here I'm not fighting people, I'm fighting the wall. People are using the wall energy. Now, earlier on, when I attacked him, if he wanted to come under the bridge, I could have kept him, right? So that's why people say it's not advisable. Only when you're in the wall. You don't come to technique to get away from those other techniques.
仲有一樣，我根本完全唔使用力㗎，
He doesn't use things at all.
即係佢鬥埲牆，我使乜用力啊？
Why should we sense if my opponent is fighting the wall?
有冇人想試下？
And then when backwards people against the wall, through the wall.
佢呢個動作咧，好似人打邊咧揩到搏一搏，向呢個波打一樣嘅啫。
Sequence principle, that's what you're trying to say when you play fitness, you do a nice cut shot, you know? And you just that's a fine cut.
我呢個係知學嘅啦，
Fine cut.
一開始都第一發嘅。嗱呢個動作做完，嗱跟住啊，都係咁樣睇間。 跟住咧一標嗱，通常詠春嘅手唔掹人翻嚟啦，唔拉人噶。
詠春嗰個 cool。
通常咧，如果要打就咁打，但係標指咧係拉埋嚟，或者打上嗰下都係拉嘅。因為點解你嗰啲人唔好拉人嘅手埋嚟咧
Why does Wing Chun not advise to pull someone towards yourself?
頭先你呢度睇到做好多嘢啦。
You know about the pulling, but you pull someone who comes behind you.
若果假如我拉人嘅手咧，係咪逼人拉人手埋身㗎？
So you pull them into yourself. And that's why it's not advisable that you should pull.
嗱，因為而家手都唔係咁拉㗎，先至係咁樣拉嘅。通常幾個人打我嘅時候咧，我需要佢去幫我去阻一啲位㗎。
So this is when he has multiple opponents and he's using one person to come up and have a shield.
譬如呢度有人嘅話，我一拉係咪佢幫我阻咗呢個其他人打我㗎？
So it wouldn't dummy, right? Keep going to the next.
嗱，擒橋立手
This is chapter.
就標指咁㗎。
See the thumb position.
標指唔係咁，標指唔係咁㗎。呢度就成隻手咁搞㗎。佢因為我需要呢個人幫我擋住啊，所以佢就一拉係咁樣嘅。喺佢阻我阻咗其餘啲人嘅。
The application is just for your safety. It's really the self-defense thing.
嗱，好似大家呢下翻過嚟呢個動作睇住我啊，睇我呢個動作。假如俾人死到行急啊，即係咁多實。如果我想咁樣翻嚟咧，好難翻㗎。
Very difficult for people to just fight my weight with one arm.
因為我一隻手鬥佢兩隻手啊。
That is small. He's got two hands.
你估而家我要鬥佢兩手最好用邊度咧？因為我連腰粗過佢兩手好多啊。
You can use his hip.
嗱，佢點解固定咗呢個位？連腰大個。而家可能我俾幾個人管住㗎，唔一定俾佢一個㗎。
He doesn't mind more than one piece of something. It's still friendly.
我可以揾得兩個人指示嘅。
Have some people come inside and do that.
嗱，你可唔可以頂得住啊？而家係高嘅，我等於咁啦。如果假如係低嘅，嗱我咁樣咧，係咪攞唔收㗎？如果
Just take my hands out the step.
嗱，固定咗呢位都幾難，而家佢哋咁，我拉咗長，我開始嗱佢呢兩個好鬼好力，我諗住都幾難住佢兩個嚟頂住咧，佢唔止我條腰咁粗啊已經，呢個做唔到，好似佢呢個辦法，即係佢兩個咁樣咧。我鬥佢呢兩邊膊啊，一條腰。通常咧，一個對一個咧，或者三兩個唔係太大隻嘅，因為佢同我個比例太遠啦。通常咧，你咁樣咧，而家一個對一個咧，我都攞唔翻嘅。而家咧
With a very big person, with a very big person, difficult person.
但係我固定咗我條腰咧，我條腰攞佢係易好多㗎，但係佢自己
You go on your own.
等我擁住佢，我擁住佢，佢喺隻手過好難。固定咗個手先，出咗呢個，喺條腰過，而家等而家我佢擁住我感覺好難過㗎。嗱，我逼咗條腰，腰過唔係好難擁住。佢而家呢個前提點咧，係要你，我唔係話俾你聽。咁樣過咧就實得，唔係叫實得，但係個機會係高好多。
Finding out to you that it's not a guarantee that you will pull off, your chances are much higher than if you would just use your arm.
佢呢下手咧喺個腰帶嗰個啊，好似着呢手都唔需要點講噶啦。跟住嚟做唔到邊個動作啊？跟住加個手㗎，加個手，加個手。我跟係補翻綁手嘅錯嘅，綁手嘅錯漏嘅。
Down self is to cover up mistakenly applied
綁手，因為佢話俾你聽，唔理點都好，人始終係人，一定會有錯嘅。
Human approach to error. So this is where you study errors, mistakes, to cover up also mistakenly applied functions.
嗱，比如佢打我一錘，我綁咩手？我咪睇住嗰邊手啊！但係咧，我可能我會綁住佢
on the wrong hand.
我呢邊話俾佢打啦。間手咧就係補綁手嘅錯。
Down self to cover up mistakenly.
短手咧，有一邊隻又短呢個手㗎。短手咧係補間手嘅錯嘅。
When you do a down self incorrectly, you correct it by using the heel self.
好似玩莊玩到第60下嘅時間，唔知幾歲吧？玩到呢個時間咧，因為呢手咧係補間手嘅錯嘅。嗱，最好嘅情形，嗰條插我咁間到啦，直情打添啦，係咪先？再其次咧就咁樣間到，最曳咧就係咁樣間到。係咪佢嗰啲都係合埋俾佢打㗎？所以你間咧係攞翻住呢個位嘅，補翻呢個位嘅。所以間手咧係補綁手嘅錯，端手咧係補間手嘅錯嘅。
Bone cell covers the mistakenly, down cell covers the mistakenly bone cell, and the heel cell covers the mistakenly down cell, the wrong down.
跟住嗱攞呢隻手咧係補位嘅，即係一攞屈咗個位，一走嘅時候呢個位攞翻嘅，或者高嘅時間你睇翻住啦。如果佢唔係嘅係低啲嘅咧，你應該補翻個位嘅。所以行運嗰位就真界個手線嘅。
The body that controls the hand will turn. You have to let it down, come back to cover the space, the gap that you have to hit from.
跟住做完呢下啦，跟住發呢下。嗱，好多人都係咁樣做㗎，錯㗎。呢個動作係咁樣。嗱，呢個動作咧喺第40下裝入邊有呢個動作。
Before you move your hand, you use that.
嗱，有幾多個玩過裝㗎呢個
How many people play Zoe?
嗱，係咪一個咁嘅動作啊？呢下即係沉船嗰下嚟嘅，呢個動作你學嗰邊學佢做，呢下而家就而家你呢下手嚟。譬如你就係同人打，綁左手，或者間錯手，譬如嗰條打我想拍佢呢邊啦，或者綁呢邊啦。而家咧，啱你係拍錯咗，或者綁錯咗啊！拍錯咗，你睇我呢邊話俾佢打㗎，係咪？嗱，你睇我攞一拍，呢手喺呢個位就點用㗎？唔使轉馬㗎，你睇啊！你睇住啦，佢如果係真係打我嘅話咧，我呢手就換。若果假如我轉馬咧，我睇唔到㗎。所以好多人喺裝度咧，呢下手啊，呢下手啦。
A lot of people do a horse turn.
跟打過嚟唔到啊！呢手就過去，呢手拍住嚟，仲有一個情形咧，呢下手叫文手啊。
also called acting hand.
譬如呢個人打，嗱，我咁樣向佢，你就喺嗰個時候，你都唔知我究竟咁打或者咁打。
In this situation like this, I don't know whether people are going to use that hand or that hand.
若果你就咁鬥問唔衝埋嚟咧，
I come
你有
straight
隨或者唔係真係好似打你㗎，你唔知邊邊㗎。所以話你攤呢邊就俾人憑呢邊，
if I time is going to get to
你唔知啊。但係呢隻手咧就要趕埋嚟一邊。
so he's going to force me to one side.
嗱，譬如佢一去趕同一邊嘅。
So he forces me to have to use those things. He runs into a safety zone where he can expect it, and where my only alternative is this hand.
嗱，你而家個擺住啊，佢一埋一邊，佢唔會喺呢隻手打我
There's
㗎，
no way I'm
因
going
為
to
佢冇喺呢塊嚟㗎嘛，我喺呢邊一邊一邊，
So I have to come up with this one.
即係趕埋佢，將佢全個人趕埋一隻手。
The concept of the Mansell is to set your opponent out until he's only left with one weapon, or a limited arsenal to a familiar route for yourself.
呢隻手之後，嗱翻落嚟呢下咧即係單手到上手嚟㗎，亦都係啦。通常嚟講喺琴時就攞呢個位啦，標誌咧係戒把咁解嘅咯。
Sometimes you take a shape and you choose the strike, and it's the upper half of the counter combination.
跟住圈，嗱呢個點手咧，即係通常就係我而家我攞翻個位㗎，而係要練你咧揾條腰帶嘅身呢隻手轉。如果我譬如我咁樣轉咧，嗱好似頭先我攞呢啲位啊，我咁轉，我仍然都未向佢㗎。 一定嗱揾呢個位嗱，我哋腰轉先至同一個時間向翻佢嘅。
So not only he has to use his hip to turn, because if he only uses the hand, then the opponent will be moved, and he's not in fact firing power, firing range. You turn your hip to maintain still your opponent's target.
嗱，跟住咧，嗱呢隻手都唔使講㗎啦，呢隻手嘅動作全部都一樣㗎啦。嗱，跟住呢幾下。 嗱呢啲下咧係向你嘅敵人標㗎。
This is where you feel towards your opponent.
佢呢下咧標咧，即係求其標就手出嚟啦。
The initial feel, sometimes you just put your hand out to offer him a cut.
嗱，頭先個動作，我咁揞住嘅，我標，
He just pushes down.
但係呢個動作唔係佢揞住我，咁揞住我，我咁落去。
He just went straight into me.
算佢幾大力都好，都唔過夢牆㗎。
No matter how strong I might think it's the wall.
頭先嗰個動作我做唔到啊！呢個動作你兩個夾我都做得到㗎，因為頭先嗰個我做咗腰鬥佢兩個，但係呢個咧我唔怕㗎，因為呢埲牆唔得我。
The one way is you're fighting against the wall, so he's not good to you out, If you get the stupid guy, you still you see.
即係我頭先做緊條腰鬥啊，你明唔明啊？佢呢個咧係埲牆鬥。嗱，佢呢隻手咧標完嗱，跟住呢個動作你要留意下。而家假設個敵人喺呢度，假設個敵人喺
The
度，
opponent's over there.
兩個手咁樣翻嚟去咧，係咪可以90度啊？行遠咗
If he goes towards the opponent, and he comes here and goes there, he's going again.
佢而家要你點咧？一路去就唔係咁咳啊，而係咁樣啊，就咁打㗎。一路去呢個山路埋，到我向正嘅時間咧，呢度已經射咗出去㗎啦。而家要你喺任何位置都可以一路搞翻埋佢。
It doesn't matter where your hand is, but wherever it happens to be, you can fire it into the center line.
其實呢個動作咧喺小練頭已經 training 緊你嘅。
You're already being programmed to do that.
嗱，加上呢之後，你話正咗啦。 嗱，到呢幾下之後咧，嗱呢下獎係咪一路都要打開埋都算啦？而家呢個位置一路埋嚟都算，我打到邊度啦？喺中線㗎。
Wherever you are, you try to set the line.
因為你咁樣打法咧，你係行最近嘅路㗎。
You listen to the shortest route all the time.
嗱，打完呢啲牌，呢啲唔需要講啊，一樣㗎啦嚇。嗱，我呢個動作要講啊。詠春成日都叫人唔好識人追人走嘅。
You never taught to, you always encourage to stay calm.
但係標準就係你
People look for a hand, an arm, and grab it.
嗱，譬如咧，我同佢打，佢手兩頭手，即係好難揾個手嚟捉啊！
To change the hand.
但係呢個人啱正個打我個咧，
You have more than one people coming at you. You've got more chances of grabbing.
咁啊，其實有好多隻手喺度。
Many hands there.
啊嗱，舉一個例啊，俾個機會。嗱，譬如四個打我啊，四個打我，四個打我，如果我打佢一錘，係咪一個拍一個時間啊
Hits one, it's one beat, one time.
四個人同時有呢個時間啊？
All of us have that one beat too. So the other three people have the same chance of striking that beat.
如果我打佢一錘咧，你哋幾個人打我咧，我根本係撲唔過啊！
He's bound to lose out on these turns.
但你唔好忘記啊，而家你四個人8隻手啊！
There are 8 hands. 4 pairs of hands.
當然最好咧，我攞到佢嘅手啦。
Best deal is to grab the guy at the far end.
嗱，我攞到佢嘅手，用咗你3個啊！假如我攞唔到佢，我攞到佢咧，我咗你2個，最多俾佢打啫。
You only get struck by one person, you see.
我唔使俾你4個打。同埋我攞手咧，係容易過攞打佢啊！
It's easier for you to grab hands than to strike.
嗱，所以標誌手食咗㗎嚇，佢唔係冇人咁樣攞埋嚟，攞埋嚟你仍然打我㗎。
If he pulls me towards
我拉係咪你打我？
keep on hitting.
嗱，佢直㗎，
He takes it straight up and covers his finger.
起碼我直啦。
This is the
你
sacrifice.
睇嗱，你一腳話唔到我㗎，
Your feet won't reach him.
唔係好到㗎。我拉過啲點樣？可能你到佢先。我唔一定拉攞到佢，當然我最好就係攞到佢。
The most advantageous is to take a person from either end.
甚至係或者而家呢條好簡單聽我，你高我呢條咧，我高面冚都入嚟打我㗎
And
嘛，
you're coming over
係咪
me.
先？如果我呢隻動作，所以標誌咧同尋條小念頭係唔同嘅啫。尋條小念頭淨係叫你唔好做呢嘢，標誌就要你做呢嘢。喺呢個時間嘅機會啊，係攞人手嘅機會大過打人。
So you understand the concept of you have food to strike. It's a sacrifice. It's a sacrificial thing because if you kill the person from the end, you get the second last guy, which will leave one person free to come and attack you.
嗱，做完呢個動作咧，跟住呢個動作咧，嗱，通常做嘅時間咧，好多人都係咁樣嘅。
A lot of people punch like this.
如果咁咧，打得人咁樣去㗎。嗱，呢隻手咧係固定咗呢個位，喺呢個位打嘅 lock it。你睇睇我呢個動作，係嘛？你試啦，咁樣打嘅。我打嘅時間呢度射翻埋呢度啦。
You push the physical force goes straight back down into his hips and onto the ground again.
唔係咁樣打㗎。
Grounded energy rather than a hard.
做完呢個動作之後，嗱，你睇我做嗰個動作啊！好多人將呢個動作點咁做㗎？呢個動作咧，事實上咧係要你習慣揾隻手戴個頭上㗎。
This last technique is to let a hand lift the head.
通常上咧揾呢個行先嘅。
Hand goes first.
佢叫你做成一個習慣。假如我通常我舉一個情形咧，譬如我砰一跌，會 fall 落嚟。如果我咁起身咧，係咪好多人都拱我？
Just push the body up.
係快咗嘅，
It's more instinctive, right?
馬跌落地下度，佢呢個地下起身嘅快咗嘅。
He pushes the force so much.
但係你唔好忘記，如果假如你有嘢打緊我嘅時
If I
候，
have weapons,
我一而家我頭行先個手行。
oh,
而家我要點咧？要手帶頭上。我呢個上手帶嘅頭上，要手行先。我而家仆喺度，我手行先我頭，我唔會推揾個頭行先我手。
don't lift your head first because the force will be coming.
唔係話你咁樣就唔俾人打到啊！
That doesn't mean that you won't get hurt.
可能嗰都多嚟，你手上一樣係俾人斬噶。但係起碼唔使個頭俾人斬咁解。
Protecting your head.
所以你平時都唔係成日講點打人點打人，睇標紙就已經係咁就俾人打嘅時間，你要點？咁打你應該點做？咁打你應該點做？
In the first two forms, you're taught how to take on an opponent, how to fight them, how to defend them, how to beat them. And the third form, you're taught how to minimize your own injury when you're up to the limit yourself.
嗱，好似頭先我做嗰個動作，你俾個人打，除咗逼住你，或者係跌咗埋牆啊，你咁打嘅啫。如果假如對個細路仔，你當然唔好理佢啦。如果勝過咧，咁諗住自己打落去都唔係咁容易得人打嘅，呢個慘嘅根本。
And you see, what things you say, you try to get off as lightly as possible. If you know that you can take, you see four guys coming at you, you feel confident you can take all four of them and go hit. But if you see four guys coming at you, or even two big guys coming at you, and you know that if you hit them, it won't affect them. You may as well run. Avoid the whole issue.
嗱，標紙大戰都係咁噶啦，你哋有咩問題冇？標紙係應該個問題嘅。嗱，通常嚟打咧，亦都真正講唔應該保持頭先咁嘅情形嚟打嘅。通常幾個人打咧，我最好咧，即係佢當有人咧，我幾時手住對住一個，將你啲人拉住，當自己係一個目標，俾你幾個人追，你始終都仲係一個先戰。
You always have only one opponent to do. In other words, if you have 4 or 5 guys, you still go to the point where you only see one, and the others are all hidden behind this one, so that he can appeal to you. So you always choose the one that they see it's more awkward for more than one people to use it.
如果真係要打嘅話，你都可以手住打唔係代表輸。
If you can run and fight while running away, it doesn't mean you lost.
佢走到最接近呢個，我哋可以打嗰個㗎。
The guy that comes close to you first gets it.
有冇咩問題？
Questions? Chris, I go. So go up, please. Is that the one you want? Okay. Anybody else with questions?
What you're saying about the really extent the form you can how to interact with the body can allow you to find out the ideas.
佢話呢啲係即係你唔方便打或者你或者唔方便啲當假如你做生意，你有跟住賺錢嘅，咁就可以賺，咁就可以賺，你梗係賺人賺得最多。
If you have several ways, several methods of selling your business, you choose the most.
標紙咧係你做緊生意，咁又你打人對住你。
If you apply to a business and you've got several investors and they're all going down, you now have to look for the one people want to use the most to sacrifice.
如果自己生意最好唔好做啦，即係你走咗去啦。
If you go for a business that people constantly at a loss, you go for it, you have to go.
呢個時做唔得嘅時間，你咪揀用時對住嘅。
If you have no alternative, you try and get off the black.
好多師傅教人走嘅，我教人走嘅。
Many people don't teach people to run. They teach courage.
有冇問題？冇話過幾廿雙嘅。
Okay, teach people how. Anyhow, you haven't got any questions, please people will show you a few movies.
嗱，我將頭都先嘅四下。分咗嘅當喺住死物，
將你寫有情啦嗰啲。
當然有人同你自己練最好嘅。
You much better off to have a life.
但係假如冇人同自己練嘅時間咧，
There's no fun.
呢門裝係可以幫你去練，因為佢做咗一個人咁嘅樣。同埋咧，就算即使有人你練嘅時間咧，佢加門裝咧，亦都一樣係有好處嘅。一門裝咧已經造成一個模型咁樣俾你。若果你嘅手係唔正確咧，你埋呢個裝咧係埋得唔掂嘅。而家裝咧就係要你嘅3-4個動作，同一個時間完成咗。
The film teaches you to simultaneously execute multiple techniques. That's one of the main objectives.
有好多情形啦，好似練走馬或者咩咧，對住個裝嚟練咧，有人仲好過對住個人，因為呢個裝係你個敵人嚟㗎啦，根本係。
The dummy is the opponent, and it's much better to use dummy to practice footwork, running around, dangerous footwork, and attacking from the generous footwork with a live part.
嗱，一開始招呢下，
Come on around.
跟住掹呢下，呢啲情形咧，通常頭先我已經解咗㗎啦，即係等於我打人一錘，或者閃咗，掹嚟就譬如打嗰錘咧閃咗，或者而家平時咧黐緊手啦，而家你黐緊手啦，都用喺做你呢隻手㗎，一樣我經驗黐呢隻手㗎，即係同一個動作，先如波咁樣掹，然後再咁樣，再咁你已經唔知㗎啦，係一個動作嚟。好似係我同佢黐手得個動作，你唔好以為一下兩下，係一個動作嚟，係一個動作嚟。綁手嘅時間咧，有時好多詠春喺裝咧，唔一定外旋或者內旋嘅，所以就住啦，喺外或者內都有。嗱呢種情而家攞住啊，一睇我呢邊個手，呢個手咧。有可能係外旋手，亦都有可能係內旋手。
It could be on the inside of the hand or on the outside of the hand, so that technique is being executed.
嗱，譬如佢咁打我，我一攞你下，咪內旋咯。啱啱喺呢邊咁過嚟，我咪喺外旋咯。所以唔一定外旋內旋得。佢咁打過嚟，我又呢下。佢啱啱咁樣喺呢邊埋嚟，我又係呢下。所以你唔一定叫外旋或者內旋，喺個時間上參與啦。
So that could be inside or outside door, and that doesn't necessarily have to mean that you go from the inside or the outside. You can affect from either side.
嗱，譬如我綁錯手，一綁錯手，如果我係快嘅，我嚟得直咁樣去，或者佢快。一轉到打嗰場過嚟，嗱我呢下又係呢下嚟，明唔明啊？我一講住，咁係咪呢下？嗱，當佢快嘅我呢下，係咪又係呢下？咁呢個手做一定持續咗後腳，一定要上。
Position the back, the foot in the back to follow the front leg.
嗱，譬如佢打我錘，咁如果我係得上咗前腳唔上後腳係唔到㗎，係我一定要上埋啲後腳㗎。呢個後腳要去配合埋，呢個手一齊去嘅。
the foot and the hand has got to complement each other. They all got to work on each other.
嗱，你老鼠嗰啲部你呢個好意思啦。再睇我呢部位啊，我講嚟講去仲係講呢下，因為佢好重要啊。嗱，睇到我呢個動作係咁樣埋嘅，咁樣埋嘅。若果假如唔係咁埋咧，而係咁樣埋咧，你睇我兩個手 cross 咗㗎。
If you shake the angle incorrectly, you find that your hands actually cross each other.
而家呢個咁樣咁 cross 咗㗎。
You have a drawing force.
嗱 cross 咗手點咧？即係就打唔到啦。嗱，佢兩個手平嘅，
Gotta be parallel.
咁樣，所以身咁樣係唔夠嘅。
Once your hands are crossed, then you gotta be able to rotate.
所以佢一路成日叫你重複做呢啲嘅動作咧，一路做到你啲手唔會交叉，而又唔會身去扭做個動作，係要你順嘅。
The discipline of the dummy is to get you to a point where you actually make your hands move and your feet coordinate with one another, and to get parallel, straightforward force, and not have the forces cross so that neither elbows is aggressive and conflict.
仲有一樣啊，嗱，你而家佢踢我，嗱，標指入邊啊，俾我綁籃球一樣啊，呢個馬座點嘅作用㗎？嗱，佢踢我，如果我咁樣上，大多數都係咁嘅。如果佢再打翻落嚟咧，一打落嚟，我呢個位置。
So you have to confuse you, right? If I kick
嗱，我都未講到踢佢啊，如果佢就咁上，而家佢咁都未係好夠位，佢應該係咁樣嘅。咁啊啱啱望住我呢條腳，如果佢上得太薄咧，嗱，我打佢上得太薄咧，呢個薄嚟翻啱打佢嚟㗎。而家嗱佢照個即係裝咁啊上法咧，嗱嗰就放死嘅。嗰啲呢部腳啊，已經一定要你好強調，要你做到足，呢係嗰度咁樣去嘅，唔好將個身咁樣嘅。如果真係咁樣嘅話，你根本打唔到人嘅。
That's just footwork. In Ryuchi, when we talk about footwork, was that there's a counter to kicks. If you kick someone and he sneaks in the back, you can counter it with that technique from Ryuchi. But if you know how to use strong footwork, you can counter that and block and make it very awkward and throw.
呢個動作做完啦，攞翻出嚟交，呢手大致上都係要你嘅。嗱，只呢個動作一齊完成佢咁解嘅啫。加手你都頭先我已經講過，係補翻隻綁手嘅錯，或者係想上馬去攞人嘅。嗱，狠手呢啲個狠手咧，平時你哋啲手辣手或者咩咧，或者俾人哋捉住你啊！頭先我咪做邊子話嘅，其實咧佢對方唔太大隻，狠手都用得着嘅。嗱，譬如佢捉住我咧，狠手我用，唔一定係要幫下。
It doesn't necessarily have to mean they use the Ryuchi if someone grabs you use it oneself to get out of it as well.
或者豬手咧，豬手我落嚟攬住佢咧，佢呢下已經我解放俾佢。佢以為呢下佢有墨粉咗，一樣好長，呢條係用得着嘅。甚至而家呢下咁嘅粉手，上少少馬嘅咧，係對於大隻啲。通常你攬落嚟咧，咁攬落嚟咧，我哋咁睇你嘅，因為或者我咁樣上馬邊咧，即係小琴條嗰個低講，仲可以上馬。如果對方另一大隻咧，想攬落嚟咧，即係可能直接帶喺大隻度嗰邊，因為咧佢哋頂住你咧，點做好論盡啊，所以將佢帶喺大個。所以咧嗱，呢下
very big person got to take it. In the side, take the best of it.
嗱，一翻上嚟呢啲手，啲頭先一樣噶啦。嗱，佢都一樣係要你走一步，配合埋呢個腳，單邊唔使一樣噶啦。嗱，圈手，嗱，因為圈手咧，你唔好諗住就係內門啊！
Don't take it. Don't treat it.
唔好諗住係咁樣啊！就係往我呢隻手喺呢邊㗎，嗱呢手打㗎，嗱你聽啦，你聽到啦，我係呢一邊手嚟㗎，我係呢一邊手嚟㗎，呢手帶打嘅動作喺度㗎。不過問題咧，佢喺你喺呢個位咧，有啲人手到過呢個動作，個身太花，所以佢就喺呢個位咁樣去嘅啫。嗱，揼呢隻手，係一個動作，唔係兩個動作啊！如果你一下兩下亦都唔啱嘅，佢一下嚟。
Those two movements together, do just one technique.
嗱，跟住翻嚟嘅，跟住咧每10下手咧，佢都有3一隻精。頭10下同第20下咧，都係完全一樣嘅。不過係一個左手做先，一個右手做先嘅啫。調翻轉佢攞呢邊，佢第一次攞呢邊咁解嘅啫。
The second set of 10 movements is exactly like the first set. Except if you start with the other hand, you start with the left hand, the first hand, and you start with the right hand, the second hand.
嗱，跟住第30下嘅樁，第30下嘅樁咧，一般人都錯得好緊要噶啦。我見我有啲師傅，我見佢教徒弟咧，都係咁樣錯法。
Many people use this incorrectly.
好多人將嗱咁樣拍下，我哋翻下樁咁樣啦。喺咁嘅時間仲唔係拍內門喺外邊？
It looks like you're crossing a mirror.
其實咧，你每一下都係外門手嚟。
All of them are outside here.
嗱，假如佢打我咁拍，係咪俾佢呢條打㗎？我到咁拍係俾佢呢條打嘅，我咁拍係俾佢條打嘅，根本冇人做得咁蠢嘅。嗱，你望一望我裝手啊！我企埋喺呢度，嗱你聽住啦。嗱，佢做外門手啊，我常打兩拍，呢隻手係咪同呢隻手平衡啊？
This hand will be parallel to that hand.
嗱，如果打佢，嗱係咪同呢隻手平衡㗎？咁你話呢隻手係咪外門手啊？
Is that right? So when you're practicing on the dummy,
你睇，你望呢隻手，嗱你望我隻手，嗱係咪平衡呢隻手咧？所以好多人咧以為呢隻手外門係冇錯嘅，係外門，兼呢隻手唔係對付人嘅手，係對付人嘅人㗎。
you follow the person. You don't.
通常佢一隨咁打我，覺得咁好。
The energy is forced.
有住呢條中線㗎，有住呢條中線㗎。哇！呢隻手唔難練㗎，你練得3兩日，你哋呢個都好熟。
I mean, you just play 2 or 3 days practice.
唔理佢咁樣打我又好，或者咁樣拆我啊，都一樣係咁用。嗱，佢喺度打過嚟，呢隻手跌出嚟係咁樣，所以呢手唔係咁樣㗎。而家就唔得，真係咁樣打邊㗎？呢個錯㗎，咁樣㗎。嗱，都執呢隻手，嗱你哋睇住啊，嗱，跟住呢手咪打底㗎。其實唔係，呢隻手係打面㗎，唔係底嚟㗎。
You tell them you don't hit bottom, you hit up.
因為個樁係死㗎，
Because you're dummy still.
你嘅人係生嘅。呢隻手咧，就想要你唔好打咁高，所以特別咧呢隻手打喺度嘅啫。嗱，而家我做翻佢入俾你睇啊！我咁就點打啊？
Doesn't make sense for you to press it and take down here. So you step in the floor.
到嗰邊手一揼點就點打啊？你真係手阻住自己。你用呢隻手咧，就係呢支手嚟嘅，一就係呢手。問題佢唔俾呢隻手打到咁高，睇你習慣就翻個單底咁打。
Just to condition the elbow control of the fist.
因為唔裝死㗎，唔能夠俾你做到單底兩條。
You can't pull those hands down.
就有呢隻手咧，成個揼到呢度喎，跟住唔好，但呢個係硬死嘅，唔能夠俾你做到呢度。所以呢個係咪係橋面嘅手嚟？唔係橋底手嚟， 跟住嚟嘅呢下手講呢個頭先話手嚟啦，所以呢隻手咧係咁樣放嘅啫。有啲人將嚟咁樣放，呢下係錯㗎。呢個手指講得上，呢個頭先你發呢個手嚟，呢手指改上㗎，放嚟呢手指改上。接嘅呢隻手，呢隻手啊，將呢個動作借過嚟呢邊，將呢個動作借咗過呢邊嘅咧。仍然係多個動作。因為我咁樣我呢個冇位啦，我借呢個動作過嚟呢度，佢打呢下上。
Okay, it's the same technique. You just move it a little further down the road to give yourself room to strike.
呢啲咁嘅腳咧，通常都係對付高嘅腳。我打到呢啲咁嘅位嘅腳。
To give some of the feet height.
或者就打到呢啲咁嘅位啦，多咗褲啊，睇你以外呢樣嘢。
Anything to come over the above your waist.
係橫嚟嘅。呢個動作咧，通常除非你揾呢個位，如果假如你呢個位接到咧，你自己一啲都唔痛啊！即係個對方痛佢啦。
If you receive it with the ball, so you'll hurt your opponent.
同埋有一樣嘢，你會覺得痛咧，可以話一樣嘢，你已經做錯咗。
If you hurt yourself, you must have done it wrong.
係點樣做錯咗咧？停咗隻手喺度打嘅時候，停嘅時間係咪得點位俾人打落嚟啊？
So you must have paused and made it and allowed the flash.
所以呢個手咧係一個動作嚟嘅。所以嗱，第一做呢個動作，一個動作，好多人將嚟咁樣擺喺度，咁寫得嘅已經係錯嘅。第一個做成一個動作
one beat.
呢個動作你哋呢個好多個人都練過嘅，你哋啲做嘅就咁一路咁做嘅咧。呢個動作做得好幾好用嘅，因為對方仲係打緊你，而且同一個時間你起來去打佢嘅。
Hovering around how it's
Anybody
understood that? Okay,
通常喺練功嚟講咧，3套拳，跟住係裝。譬如我今日我講晒一裝嘅拳師行你練功嘅，
see to explain that all the dummies do you try to do.
起碼而家我講一部分裝咧，你知道裝嘅用意喺邊度？你有個打樁嘅時間，你嘅意識嘅，即係你個意喺邊度？最緊要知呢樣嘢。頭先我所講嘅咧，就係我呢一樣嘢，唔好將盤裝一路拍到佢外面啦。起碼你知道呢種情咧，你第二裝都要係點嘅啫。
Covered up the 40 movements of the dummy. Those are the you never played with the dummy before. Some idea of how much the dummy as a data object can enhance your knowledge and
至於棍咧，係等於單手。
it's pretty much equivalent to a single hand.
詠春嘅棍咧，同詠春嘅單手冇咩分。
There's not much difference between a control and a single hand.
或者兩個人黐棍啊，唔黐單手，唔單得好多。
The physical, the technical, pretty much the same. Single hand.
問題咧係要經過呢度冇兩棍咧，係要經過做釘棍嘅階段啊，然後大家去學釘棍變咗點變到佢要釘㗎啦，原來揸啲棍兩個人錯到最初嘅時間釘係咁多釘嘅，最初嘅時間。兩支棍咧，大家講冇啦。然後咧，最終我咁樣過嚟，俾你釘，唔係攞唔嚟。嗱，譬如嗱，我咁樣攞，咁咧你就攞翻支棍槍過嚟㗎，槍一下呢邊，槍一邊。嗰陣時咧係俾你練呢下釘棍嘅啦，同埋槍過呢邊咧，俾你練啲釘棍，釘到熟咧，咪然後咧就攞咧，到我做俾你釘啦，我做俾你釘，我做俾你釘。 結果你做俾我聽，唔係呢啲嘢你啱啊。咁之後咧，我畫圈畫界嘅，兩個喺度打佢，繼續畫個圈。呢兩個人都唔入呢個圈㗎。仲有一路人啦，咁一路多師傅佢呢個你喺度去或者大家攞呢啲位啦，喺度黐棍咧都唔入呢一個圈嘅。通常棍入邊咧，棍係好難玩得好嘅，棍一都插下嚟啫，所以叫六點棍。
There's 7 techniques on the pool, and people call it 6.5.
如果棍咧，佢個幫打個雙棒，你都唔相同好似。
There's a lot of parallel concepts of fencing, the principles of fencing.
而所謂嘅六點半咧，不過咧佢係有下棍撲咗去，唔再翻嚟，就喺出邊打緊打嘅，所以叫六點半。
There's one
而家打下咁嘅，最玩到最拉屎嘅時間咧，都係咁嘅。之後咧，即係講佢啲法咧出現嗱，家本來我敵人喺呢個位㗎嚇，想攞支棍咧，佢就喺呢個位咁上翻落，即係唔再翻嚟出。喺呢個位咁以呢個動作咧係有相似，不過而係呢下棍係最難練嘅，因為點解難練咧？通常之但我咁槍上去，甚至我槍個皮都唔難，最難打低。因為低咧受個地心吸力嘅影響，你知個自動落。咁你既然自動落咧，你想打呢位對到嗰支棍就會低咗嘅。
So what happens is people say using the weight of the actual pole to thrust it down. This is one of the most difficult techniques there are. Because most of the other techniques are a thrust where you control it with a fulcrum of the ball. In this instance, the reason why it's called a half move is you've got 6 full moves where you thrust, kick back, push again, and thrust again. And this last one, you're out there, you really kick out, you do a thrust, and there's no recoil. That's why you have to move. So that's where the 6 points, 6.5 points.
真正嚟講，我電話就係我唔知點解，我啲棍唔係好叻。
You say he's not very good at the pole.
因為任何嘢都係你唔練就唔會叻。但係你話我要教咩？我要教人叻過我好多都得，要佢肯練。
I can help you become very good at the pole.
但係我自己唔係好叻，但唔係我唔明白，而係我所謂唔叻咧，就係我唔係好練棍。
I'm not very good at it because I don't do it very often.
相反嚟講，我練刀多過練棍好多。
I practice more than I do the pole.
呢個可能就係興趣方面。
Application of the pole.
不過棍佢點使費啦，即係你係你想知。我唔以為有人夠膽舉辦呢一樣嘢，因為你唔好以為一支棍一把刀，真正講棍能係呢個都3、4倍啊！
In reality, the pole is about approximately 4 times more dangerous than the line.
所以未有人試過搞呢樣比賽啊，未嘅。
No one's ever thought of putting it into competition.
即係真打呢行人仔。
You misunderstood your big word. The application in the pole, like, is there trying from the pole or something like that?
你可以係咪學燈棍啊？用嗰個棍嗰個技術嚟掟人好似啲嘢咁掟人，即係抌人。你用翻嗰個棍嗰個方法咧，即係你加埋你空手，即係而家用翻個棍嗰個 technique 抌人嚟嘅棍嚟抌人頭皮，唔係用棍用空手，不過用棍嗰個技術。我呢度用學呢個。我對一個嚟嘅個棍咁危險。Why the pole is very dangerous?
通常一支棍，我哋練呢條係咪啦？我哋練個棍咧，通常呢啲成百隻嘅，咁
8 Chinese feet
或者啲手石9 feet。通常啊，啲長啊咁插落去啦。 歲呢啲人咧，起碼入咁多，成每個人入到咁多。
On normal reflux walls like that, people say you can find anything about that much info. I'll find things to do that one over there.
我懷疑揾槍都打唔到咁深。
Sometimes with guns, depending what you have nowadays, you couldn't necessarily use
而且尤其是詠春嗰棍咧，個棍頭係細啲嘅，而且棍好重啲好多。
And the proper return pole is much heavier than that heavy one that people use, and it's tapered up to a point. It's not a pinpoint, but a much smaller point than the other one.
我住一陣時自己嚟跟住舊樓嘅時間咧，呢場幾十嘅，我條仔有炒啲球幾十嘅。而家呢個咩刀啊，打咩刀都未必死啊，打咩棍水下，我諗都叉燒咁樣都冇乜感覺。
People say, if I attack you with a knife, you cut yourself in time, I wouldn't necessarily kill you, but I don't know about a pole, but like thrust it and pull it, it'll go right through.
我哋講你唔同好在呢個係如果揸住一個即係擋住騎住隻馬，你都仲係咁對嘅。如果睇嚟呢隻手呢個擋揸個馬，你都睇唔到啲棍咧。所以佢係問好危險嘅棍嘅，你都仲危險嘅。
What I'm saying is, you don't carry a pole on the roof. So there must be some other use from the pole that you can still use that.
因為呢個棍咧係唔方便揸住成街行揸住嗰啲棍保住自己。嗰個棍嘅練法可唔可以？
我講一樣嘢聽下，空手不如練拳。你知道細細。
Just the empty hand is effort.
你哋都可能會睇過啲棍咁嘅。詠春棍冇呢樣。
You don't see that in China.
佢就話俾你聽，啲棍唔係成日抬住嚟嘅。譬如我喺街執咗條木，係咪好多道刺嘅？咁你要點用先
Okay. People say if you don't carry a pole with you, and you have to pick one up anywhere.
我喺嗰條木四方嘅，咁你要一
Square piece of wood, right? How are you going to slide your hand up without it? I mean, sometimes you have, for instance, one grid.
所以詠春嘅棍咧係加咁多嘅，成日都喺呢度噶。所以你見到咁嘅，好多功夫都有咁，都係詠春之棍喎，由頭至尾都係咁，一路打都仲係咁嘅。因為佢就係以處你隨時有咩事，交刀你啦，搭咗條木，條木四方嘅，咁你做咁多事。嗰陣時唔係你用支棍，係支棍打你。
If you use a piece of wood, then you indirectly, then you have to be using it against yourself rather than using it to protect yourself. And, on the video, you can say this. On the video, you do get a chance to catch a slight glimpse at the other when he does the pole. The man, he shakes that pole, and that wood, anyone who grabs that wood, you know what I mean? You'll know that he manages to do it. It's straight, Release some power there.
喺呢度。呢啲棍唔啱用。
Keeper isn't happy with these poles.
呢個好長嘅
Much longer.
同埋你有咁樣長咧，你先使到嗰個但係我話俾你我玩出嚟咧，好多人都話我好棍，但係我自己知唔係好。
A lot of people say he does pole very well, but he himself knows that he does.
詠春嘅棍，照我師傅自己講，佢都唔好棍，葉問都唔好棍。
Secretly loves
佢照佢講咧，最訓練得最好咧就係陳小燕，即係陳華順嘅仔。
The son of Chen Watson, likely, is probably the best whole human
但係咧個拳好曳嘅，
but it's very poor. He wasn't very good.
另外一樣佢就係練棍嘅。
But he trained his whole only professional artist.
照我爸爸睇過嘅面咧，即係咁嘅練法，我自己冇本事做。香港嘅環境亦都唔同，因為嘅地方啊。
According to Seeking Death, it's not practical to train what he did, but
佢喺個花園咧，起一埲牆
in the garden wall,
就揾啲釘啊，
he put nails
掛住一個牌寫一個牌寫住，隔住整釘，即係等於雞咁。
you know, you put little Chinese characters on each little cat and nail it onto the wall.
咁咧，譬如佢揸住棍，佢嗰啲棍好長，12尺幾
over 12 feet in length.
譬如我喺度叫釘釘啊，黐咁地佢打黐㗎，即係打入去，要釘釘唔亂。
You need to put nails against the wall, but not completely embedded, right? And he used to give each nail a title. And then outside, a third party, another person would stand there and call which nail while he stands there and call. And when the nail is called, for example, it's an ABC, right? And he says, bang, he goes, boom. So not only does he knock the nail into the wall, he doesn't bend it.
同埋個鼻孔之前啦，佢係揾隻鑊，
It's a wok, a Chinese cooking wok.
咁樣揾一條撐，
A piece of pine wood.
揾條撐，咁樣倒啲英泥啊，知咩英泥咩？
Cement.
倒滿佢嘅，
He fills it up with cement.
咁樣揾啲把槍佢，呢度係咁擺啊，
And it's got fill. And it moves.
好似個不倒翁咁樣。叫我爸爸話見過佢哋能夠用支棍槍爆嗰啲
And he was able to thrust and break the piece of
打
pine
爆
wood.
啲撐，然後咧先至練咧話打釘嘅。佢喐㗎，嗱一打佢呢度咪咁咯，呢個咪咁咯，係咁搖咯。但佢能夠喐緊啊，佢可以打爆呢條撐。
So while it's moving, he's broken. You know, while it's in motion, it's down and snaps the piece of wood.
然後打完釘咧，先至開始學棍。打完釘先開始學棍。咁咧，然後因為佢初咧更要標棍嘅，先教佢兩下先嘅，槍棍啊、槍皮槍啊，咁啊槍完咧跟棍啦，跟能夠做到咁啊，先至學棍。其實佢唔學棍都打死好多人。你明唔明啊？筍到交關，你通常啲人，你知道佢咁筍咧，
Before he even started,
你冇咁行，冇咁筍。
before he learned, he was formally taught. Because when you learn the pole first, you just taught the pole hundred, then you taught how to bounce pole, then you taught thrust it. This guy was already practicing. He was so keen that he had accuracy and power before even learning the formal.
所以咧，真正講葉問都要學嘅好好棍，即係葉問都好佩服佢支棍，咁應該佢唔會好嘅。叫我爸爸都話佢嘅棍好嘅，因為我爸算佢。
Sibu's father still is very impressed with him. And so did his mom, and they're all got this guy pretty talented along with that.
嗱，好似葉問嚟講咧，好了解點樣教棍，好明白嘅，但係佢自己都唔認為自己好棍。
Ivan understood, the way he expressed and he taught the pole. It's obvious that he had a clear knowledge of how the principles were applied, but he himself wasn't very good at it.
嗱，因為好簡單嘅嘢，佢見過陳宇賢咁樣練棍，自己冇經過嗰個階段，係咪你就覺得自己係唔會好棍？
就講呢個人哋好好。
咩而家佢同陳宇賢咧係兩邊仔嚟，咁啊見到人哋練棍練到咁，即係經過咁辛苦去練嘅，自己冇經過咁辛苦咧。雖然我棍都唔係好曳，但係我就覺得自己係勤嘅。
Yeah, having seen how hard the other person works, at the techniques of the poem, how enthusiastically he worked and how much knowledge he put into it. And comparing that with yourself, speaking himself, in this case, it's Mud himself, recognize the other person's skill and dedication to the technique. Although he himself was he always admitted he was very enthusiastic about working with himself.
好似舉例呢樣咧，我都有一個經驗嘅，即係當然做唔到話打場打釘嗰啲，因為佢香港好少人有咁嘅環境嘅。但係不過我做呢個我見過，一個做一個。
People have an opinion that is still very good. That's why he can do that technique, but he's not had the opportunity to practice with nails.
你know, Chawa Shan taught Yitman, but Chawa Shan was about 70, 80, and what was the name of Chawa Shan's son? And he learned with me himself.
And you say Chawa Shan's
我喺英文學都10年，我英文12歲就話做得死啦。
But you know, well, Chawa Shan is dead.
Yeah.
And Chawa Shan's son, who did he learn from?
What was his name? What was Chawa Shan's name?
我問到佢仔啊，
陳年大個英文好多嘅，跟佢老豆咯。
What was his dad?
但係都唔學呢啲嘢。
But he wasn't interested in only pose.
So really, Yitman learned from his 哦，因為佢唔係話佢唔學啊。哦，
你問跟邊個學㗎？
佢初識跟住佢，再跟梁識，即係跟梁間嘅仔，梁識啦。
Whoever you say.
No, he knew when he learned from the very students. Yeah, Nietzsche himself.
So,
咁咧，佢後尾咧打死人哋，佢日本。再翻香港嘅時間，喺電台灣嗰啲時間就跟到啲即係。
But I think killed somebody and came back later and started learning from him.
That's Leon Johnson, isn't it? Did you find a book, Leon Johnson?
英文有冇講即係講佢哋聽講
因為佢都睇唔到咧，因為佢學手電話咧，學電話最3兩年電話最都死咗。佢點有機會見到自己嘅
don't hear too many stories because very short time afterwards.
哦，呢問好呢個好聰明啊！佢唔會求其你講就信，佢唔會聽古仔嘅。
Even also the guy who wouldn't believe everything right away.
Yeah. 等於頭先有個問我仔啊，我話今古仔唔信得過，古仔個都可以讀出。
Stories can be made up by anyone.
Yeah, elbow strikes.
Oh, you don't sound like one of these stuff.
未用學咁。
He's never used it yet.
如果我爭人個經驗，我諗呢個賺啲書佢可以去得到嘅。
If you can use your own,
但係我唔同啊，呢度我頂住咗啦，都我得啫。
This is the only time we use the double leverage.
我哋但係我用得到呢度咧，我根本係用得到呢度。譬如我哋雲打都未一定有咁多機會嘅。通常嗱，種春一定有刀，有白斬刀。不過問題呢個刀咧係長咗。呢刀唔係 永春嘅刀咧，用手啊，大致就差唔多。嗱，譬如而家嘅刀啊，咩問題？刀擺個裝啦，係擺咁大，即係我環境得啲㗎。唔用手啊，手我唔會打咁快，但係刀咧，刀就打係咁快。喺呢啲位去，喺呢啲位去，係走個3角板。
Triangle is supposed to work.
我可以話俾你一樣嘢你哋聽。 拳練都未好，千祈唔好學到。
If your hands are no good, it's very, very foolish of you to do this wrong. You said not to stop messing about with the butterfly after the body until.
若果拳唔好咧，學咗刀之後咧，影響到你嘅拳仲差嘅。
If your hands are not properly trained, and you start training yourself with the chances are your hands will become worse.
我只有一樣嘢係幫助咗你係咩咧？個拳動咗。
Only one thing that will help you is strengthening your hands.
因為玩拳要你嘅身力好穩定啊，而刀咧啱咧，將個身位咁樣走嘅，或者仲走180度嘅。咁啊，如果假如咁樣嘅話，你玩 Alan 咧，你嘅拳一定係，因為拳冇咁樣嘅玩。
So that kind of footwork doesn't apply to the enemy hand aspect of combat. And if you try to combine two in the same method, you start influencing each other.
嗱，好似好簡單一樣嘢，而家你哋睇手都唔能夠咁樣噶，嗱，你都係咁樣，係咁樣。但係咧，好多人將個刀咁樣。嗱，如果我咁樣，你睇我啲係綁手嚟嘅，唔係綁刀。
This is綁手。If your hand is a ball, the knife is not really a ball.
嗱，如果咁樣咧，而家刀咧，呢個 elbow。如果你咁咧，仍然呢個 elbow。而家刀呢個先係 elbow， 你駁上兩手啊嘛，駁上兩手係咪呢個係 elbow 啊？都係咁樣噶，嗱，睇住啦，都係咁樣嘅。如果拳咧，你咪咁啦。如果你刀學翻拳咁抗自己嘅。
If you use the knife the way you use your hand in this instance.
嗱，所以刀咧係咁樣噶，係咁樣噶。其實刀同拳啊，本來嚟講係一樣嘅，你冇分別嘅。因為你駁上兩隻手啫嘛，但係實際上完全有分別，跟住我下都有分別。There is a difference. 拳而家你淨係練槍，其實黐手係要求你做到甩手直衝面。
The whole concept of teaching is practice the left.
但係咧，都唔能夠甩手直衝啊！
With the knife you can't do that.
而家我講翻係，差唔多20年前，about 10 years ago， 語文好多，好多。
Human has very good.
我亦都睇過佢同人打過，就唔係對刀，係對雙人劍。
Versus fencing.
呢個雙人劍咧係攞過澳洲嘅冠軍
A European champion.
澳洲
Australian champion.
佢隔咗問打嗰陣知道你我係8年後再同我打。
8 years later, this guy lost to his mother. 8 years later, he would speak to her again. Fencing versus.
結果佢又輸咗。咁咧，佢話佢輸咗之後咧，佢話我寧願同葉問打都唔同你。
In the future, he'll rather fight people on the.
因為你唔係我呢個葉問啊，你唔好咁啊，因為我係後生個葉問，葉問好穩陣嘅打得，但係個葉問咧可能冇我咁耐，都冇咁快。
葉問was not as fast as he was playing for a lot more safety and people took more chances.
我後期咧，我支持過一個叫做而家喺香港做選修校長，7年喺選修校長，西人係其中 家我真係師傅，
there's a champion fencer
我哋出咗啊教嘅，
he used to go all Olympic.
聽明啊？
Danny Steinman?
佢而家都喺香港佢又教埋即係。
He runs the fencing class. You know?
佢同我打遊戲嘅，
He also tried to
佢收咗用雙人劍頭，呢個判術用對標格。邊咗第日咧，佢又呢把分刀頭啦。
Oh, he tried with the fencing team, then later on he got the saber to try and
就帶多把卡一把劍要，
and a long and short, he had a saber and a dagger.
咁佢就輸埋之後咧，佢就要跟我學刀。
After having lost, he started to go and then started going out to people.
咁我唔肯教，我冇得教，我你都連手一下都唔識，連出一啲手你都唔識點學。
Unless you learn to use the hands, that won't teach you to learn.
咁我要由頭學，咁佢後尾都有學。
You now, you finally teach people to learn.
嗰陣時佢未入到啲咁啊，嗰陣時佢就喺 CBS
Doing cool head after
咁佢學打佢要入 camp 咁啊冇時間學。到我沙士嘅時同佢打咧，而家講嗰時打起呢啲打呢啲，喺我 TV 喺無線打。
The people, while he was a kind of a spirit family, they didn't see each other, and then more recently they had contact once more, and this was Calvary.
咁我同喺警察學打起上水警頭㗎，
He was in police cadet.
咁啊同埋嗰啲醫隊啊嗰啲去練嗰啲咧，咁啊見過佢啲，佢嗰啲打針啊，我同佢打得好真啊嗰次就。
He was really trying not to use them.
我把刀啊兩把打，之後佢做分刀啊，分刀啲鋼嘅，我把刀好似隻鋸咁樣打。
Hebrews' swords were made of brass. Maybe they had real swords, and Hebrews' blades at the end of the battle, it looked like it was serrated from.
都話結果我打到一刀落喺佢呢度，佢成個跌喺地下度㗎。
Several times he versus
佢面都青埋，
knocked him down
嗰
with
個
the
嬲
blade with a
就
blood
已經
spray.
卡咗嗰度，因為我已經要求話佢哋嗰個打得好真嘅，即係大家冇
It was so brutal that they cut a lot of blood out from the television.
開始叫佢打到好傷，啲手行慢啲打得好緊要。一手跟住咧，我都俾佢嗰把分刀咧打到崩晒。咁啊啱啱佢一下咁樣過一過咧，我啱啱喺呢度一邊，唰咁啊呢刀喺呢度嘅，咁啊可能預咗㗎啦，一拉啲刀口，我都唔
He
預
cut,
嘅，
she
但
cut
係斬到崩晒，我拉佢哇流咗呢條線都流得好多啲嘢。
he cut his arm off without intending to. That's why people use blade with blunt, but having got contact many times by a sharp or a finger in the sword, it becomes serrated and it's pulled and tore off.
而家講翻就係收英文識我學，
But 10 years ago,
只係22年都有。
he learned 4 people night.
咁咧，因為我知道原來好多，
People know that he's not
但係我一定要問第一個問題，我先肯學。
People have to ask him one question before learning the butterfly.
我從來唔叫師傅教冇得，係佢叫我學嘅啫。
People never ever asked his mother to teach. He only learned what the teacher told him.
咁我問咗一樣嘢，話刀係唔係甩手刀？
You have not done it.
咁你問下我，
You guys say yes.
但我當時話，我認為唔夠分。
People thought that's wrong, but an argument around it. They keep moving towards the distance.
咁佢話冇理由啊，刀啊等於放上你手啫，佢話。
You want the butterfly knife is just extension of your hand, so why shouldn't your hand like that?
嗱，我話 如果你一走衝 ，OK 先到，或者咁樣，好先到 ，OK。有話拳就叫做 fist， 我留打唔
punch, I knock him back.
我唔到，要翻嚟
If I had a knife,
我走，啪！
he'd still be there. He wouldn't move backwards.
我兩個仍然喺呢個位，
The ground position is still the same, so he can still cut me.
當然點啊？我睇我今晚諗咩慢，聽日先教你。
When your man says, give me a knife, I'll get over and I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll give you a knife.
咁佢第日要問我講，就你啱我講。
And his brother said, yeah, that was good.
佢話咧，所以刀咧，你走過馬，
That's it.
走過馬啦。
With knife, you always work on a triangle footwork pattern.
咁啊，既然兩刀啊同手一樣，通常嘅手應該連馬都一樣嘅。
But, you know, if you're using your knife the way you use your hand, you should use the same type of footwork.
咁啊，佢話咧，佢係因為你啱，所以佢將個刀轉個馬。
That's why. One has to go away and think about it, because after having thought about it, he decided that made sense, that there's no left-handed come in the first line out close, and it's not advisable to go left-handed come with the knife. And because on further reflection, he found out that the footwork in the knife one and the footwork in the Amsterdam one are pretty much different from one another.
咁咧，第一樣嘢，好似喺咁樣，我問佢呢個問題，到時又好，因為葉問都係幾好嘅。我容易有啲問題會令到佢答唔到。
It's very difficult to come up with a question that he couldn't answer.
但係相反，我問佢呢樣嘢咧，佢提翻一樣嘢咧，俾我亦都好有意思嘅。我只係諗嗰個要求上又唔同啫，我未諗過我馬。
So, you know, in that sense, Seafood Barnes really learned exactly as well by probing, but with one probing question, he answered more. He made new discoveries. Where he didn't just answer the one question. Seafood just wanted to know one thing. He ended up learning a lot more. So that's in this case, to us here today, the way we can evolve on its own. It's a different thing people asking questions of each other.
有陣時話，對嗰個俾人問多都有好處嘅。
It's beneficial to ask questions.
有陣時佢40歲、40年啦，未必會諗過嗰個問題。點解我諗到呢個問題？我冇諗過我刀嘅馬，嗰啲係我係。
So this another classic case of incidental where students ask a teacher who in all the years of practicing never encountered
多兩條situation。嗰次落佢唔係我馬，而我一早諗到個馬咧，其實我刀我通咗啦，問題係爭練嘅啫。最緊要通咗呢一樣嘢去練咧，係爭好遠。
The understanding the concept and then the practice is what people, if he had not spoken to Iman about the subject and concept, he probably would not have thought about the footwork of the knife. And he then thought about footwork, chances are he probably would have got it all done. And then it was just down to practicing, putting in the hours.
有時都要手玩好嘅，都唔係話咁難。
When you're pretty good at when you start to understand the way of the knife, it's not so difficult to practice it. Thank you, Suzu.
Hey, just want to say a massive thanks for watching, and please take 2 seconds to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to help us grow and keep these legendary stories alive. I read every comment, so let me know you're here. Thanks so much.